Hey everybody, this is Steve 87th here, bringing you another mail call.
Okay, we start off this mail call with a visit to Arnie's Model Trains near Huntington Beach in Southern California. They recently, I guess, expanded their store from the large size trains to HO and N scale. And so my brother-in-law and I went around and checked out the store, looked at some things, and so let's see what I got. So the cool thing was they had both some new and old stock, so I was able to pick up a few different things. I got a Linden Transport Trailer, which is a trucking company that's close by to us. Does a lot of stuff with Alaska, obviously. Found one of the new mini models, 1975 Chevy 4x4 pickup, which that one looks kind of cool. Nice that it's already raised and it's good, nice looking bed and all that. So I got one of those. Picked up some detail parts that I've been looking for. These are just some racks and stuff like that I'm going to use on a safety truck. Was able to pick up some A-line mirrors for some trucks that I want to do, and then also got some roll-up doors. One of the other things that I was able to find was I got this pier add-on set for a mere $20 that I didn't realize I didn't have, but I know that I need a pier set, so I went and got one of those. So that was kind of a cool buy. So that was a neat little trip. And of course, what would a mail call be without actual mail? So first thing I got was a purchase from eBay. I've been doing some new collecting for intermodal type items, and this came along with a really good price. Let's get this open here. I almost feel like I'm starting to get like Heath here when it comes to opening up boxes. Okay. Huh. Oh, okay. No, that's right. So I picked up this 3-car set. Oh, sorry, let me turn around. This Atlas 3-car set. For a very, very good price off the internet. So that's going to kind of nice to work with. A little light, but yeah, we'll do something with it. So that was my eBay buy for the month. And then couldn't help myself, but Walther's had a sale. And it was kind of a quick sale that bundled a bunch of stuff, so I kind of couldn't pass it up. Since I'm going to be doing lumber and lumber stacks and lots of lumber loads, they had a sale on center beam cars. So what was really cool, not only did I get more center beam cars for my railroad. These are all BNSF, I believe. Yep, these are all for BNSF center beam cars. But at the discounted price, you also got lumber. And these are all high Cascades lumber. So for less than the price of the car, you got the car and a lumber load with it. And so I got 4 of them. So all of this combined was under $80. So like I said, it was a good sale. I kind of couldn't pass it up. It's nice that they're all the same. And it's North Cascade, so it'll work for what I'm doing. It's kind of in the same realm and area and all that. So those were my big deals that I got this month. So some of the things that I've been doing this month is I started working in the ITLA scale models, the York Industry Incorporated build that Go Home is doing, and have progressed along rather well to catch up for a couple of weeks that I missed on the build. You can see here that I was able to get through and do most of the painting and catch up on all of the sidewalls that I had to do and decide on a color that I wanted to make it. So along with putting together all the different bits and pieces and stuff like that, I went ahead and made my own design for the building. and was able to put that all together. These are kind of fun kits to put together, and you guys should come along and visit the build that we do on Saturday evenings over on Chris's channel at Go Via Go Home. So besides that, besides these little detail parts and all that, I've done some detail parts for some of the, what is it, the mini prints of the month that I get and all. This is still some of the ITL stuff, but I got a bunch of the mini print stuff that I've started doing to put around, and it'll probably go with this build and all. You can see here how easily this is. The good thing is you don't have to paint the insides of these black if you're going to put color, or if you're going to put lights in there or anything like that, because that's a really dense board that won't show through. So there's still a lot of steps I got to do, but it's coming right along. And I'll tell you, if you want to get into a wood building model case, the ITLs are pretty much easy to go. They're fairly easy to get to. You can see here that they're easy to detail and even get in the grout lines and so forth. Just follow some of the simple steps and directions. There's also a couple of videos out there telling you how to do this, and it works pretty well. So that's all I've got so far for this month. This is Steve87 saying see you guys later, and I hope you guys have a good month. Bye now.